Hello everyone, let's go to a new session, which is the last session of the chapter 10C. Okay, so in this session, one of our targets is to check if two straight lines are parallel. So in other words, the two lines are not parallel. You need to show it on your own. So let's have a quick look at the picture of the exercise on the next page. For example, on the same page, okay, here, because you cannot see any symbol for the parallel lines like this. In other words, all these lines are just straight lines. They are not parallel. So therefore, you can see we want to show that they are parallel lines. So also this one, these two lines, although they look like parallel lines, but they are not. So that's why we also need to show it AB parallel to CD by ourselves. So how do we show that two lines are parallel? Here we have three methods. Actually, the three methods are closely related to corresponding angles, alternate angles, and also the interior angles. So this one, the first method, method 1. Okay, so how do we show AB is parallel to CD? It's the case that when we have two corresponding angles equal. For example, if both of them, angle A and angle B, are 40, then I know that the two lines must be also parallel. Okay, so for method 2, which is related to alternate angles, here, if A equals to B, that is, if the two alternate angles are equal, then AB is parallel to CD. So if the two alternate angles equal, then we know the two lines are parallel. So the last one is the method 3, which is about the interior angles. For this pair of interior angles, if we can find out that the sum of them is 180, then we know the two lines must be parallel. So in this example below, we want to check if EB is parallel to DC. So remember, if you cannot find out the symbol, the arrow symbol, you must assume they are not parallel, and we are going to show that actually they are parallel. So check these two angles, are they corresponding angle, alternate angles, or interior angle? Right, these two angles are corresponding angles. Therefore, we can use the first method, method 1. When the case that the two angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel. So we can write angle ABE, since angle ABE equals to angle BCD. Therefore, yes, both of them are 60. Therefore, EB is parallel to DC. Okay, so for the method 1, the reason for method 1 is this one. So copy it down here. Corresponding angles equal. So you may say, Miss Zhang, can this step, for the first step, can I write it in this way? Since these two angles are corresponding angles, and I know that they are equal, 60 equals to 60. Therefore, EB parallel to DC, corresponding angles equal. Can I do something like this? No, you can't. This is wrong. Because for this one, 60 equals to 60. I don't know which angles you are checking. I don't know which angles you are referring. So please use the three capital letters to denote the angle. which is the name of the angles. Say that which angles are equal instead of using the number 60, 60. Hope that this video can help you. Now you may try the exercise 1, question 1 below.